we're going to talk a little bit about practical life. Those are those tasks that we as adults do every day. Sometimes they're mundane for us, but we do them every day to take care of our environment and our children and our families. The children are absorbing and watching and learning how to do those tasks, and they want to do it themselves. So vacuuming, sweeping, washing the dishes, unloading the dishwasher, collecting the trash, recycling, all those things that we do, they love to help or do themselves. So in the classroom space, we provide them that opportunity to do those practical life skills and to practice them over and over and over again until they feel that they've perfected. Hand washing is a big one. They can spend forever at a sink that is at their waist, washing and rinsing their hands till they feel that they're clean. They will wash a table multiple times, even though to us it may not look dirty, but there might be a spot that they see. So they keep washing it to get it clean. We also do food prep in practical life, that is orange juicing or carrot chopping, and those kind of skills can be then shared with their peers in a snack form. They do dishwashing and lots of just everyday skills, sweeping, mopping, dusting. So even the youngest children absorb their parents doing these skills. They absorb the teachers doing these skills in the classroom, and they want to do it. So we provide the opportunity for them to do it with items that are their size.